me remind you of the incredible power that resides within each and every one of you. Deep within your core lies the ability to overcome obstacles, achieve greatness, and make a lasting impact on the world around you. Life is a journey of ups and downs, filled with challenges and obstacles. It is during the darkest moments that we often find the strength we never knew we had. Remember, it is not the absence of obstacles that defines us, but rather how we rise above them. It's easy to get caught up in the setbacks, obstacles, and challenges that come our way, but I urge you to see them as stepping stones toward success. Every stumbling block is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and be stronger. Embrace your dreams and pursue them relentlessly. Believe in yourself and never let anyone tell you that you cannot achieve what you set out to do. The road to success may be paved with doubt, but it is also aligned with determination, resilience, and unwavering self-belief. Remember that failure is not the end, but a valuable lesson in disguise. It is through failure that we discover new approaches, develop resilience, and gain the wisdom to navigate future challenges. Embrace failure as stepping stones towards your ultimate triumph. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your dreams. Seek out mentors, friends, and supporters who lift you up, challenge you, and push you to be the best version of yourself. Together, you can achieve greatness beyond measure. Take risks, embrace change, and dare to step outside of your comfort zone. Growth happens when we challenge ourselves and push the boundaries of what we thought possible. The greatest achievements often require us to take that leap of faith into the unknown. Above all, remember that success is not about personal gains. It's about using your talents, skills, and passions to make a positive impact on the world around you. Be a force for good, inspire others with your actions, and leave a lasting legacy of kindness, compassion, and greatness. So my friends, I urge you to rise above the doubts and fears that may hold you back. Believe in yourself, embrace failure, surround yourself with a supportive community, and use your unique gifts to create a better world. Your potential knows no bounds, and with unwavering determination, you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. So go forth, dream big, and let your light shine bright for all to see. The world is waiting for your greatness. Now is the time to make it happen. Let me remind you also of one timeless truth. Never discourage yourself. Life is a journey of ups and downs, a relentless roller coaster ride filled with challenges and obstacles. In these moments, it's crucial to remember that the greatest battle we face is often within ourselves. Each one of us possesses boundless potential, capable of achieving greatness beyond measure. Yet far too often we allow self-doubt and negative thoughts to hinder our progress. We become our own worst enemy, standing in the way of our dreams. But today, I implore you to silence that discouraging voice within, and embrace the power of self-belief. When faced with adversity, in the face of adversity, it is easy to get caught up It is easy to succumb to fear and doubt, but the road to success is paved. The road to success is paved with setbacks, failures, and rejections. But let me tell you this: every great accomplishment in human history was born out of perseverance and resilience. The world's greatest inventors, artists, and leaders faced countless hurdles, yet they refused to let discouragement define their destiny. Remember that every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are stepping stones towards growth and self-improvement. Believe in yourself. Believe in your unique abilities, for they are the catalyst that will propel you forward. Never fear failure, for it is through failure that we learn valuable lessons and emerge stronger than ever before. Surround yourself with positivity and encouragement. Seek out mentors, friends, and loved ones who believe in you, who will lift you up when you stumble, and who remind you of your incredible potential. Stay away from those who sow seeds of doubt, as their negativity can poison your spirit or dim your light. Choose to be in an environment that fosters growth, inspiration, and unwavering support. Remember, it's okay to stumble and fall. It's okay to face uncertainty and disappointment. It's okay to face adversity. It's okay to face disappointment and uncertainty. But what truly matters is how we respond to these setbacks. Will we let them define us, or will we rise above them and transform them into stepping stones to success? The choice is ours to make. Never underestimate the power of your dreams. They hold the key to unlocking a world of endless possibilities. Embrace the audacity to dream big and pursue your passions with unwavering determination. The journey may be arduous, but the rewards are immeasurable. So my friends, as you embark on your individual journey, remember these words: never discourage yourself. Believe in your unique abilities. Embrace the challenges. Surround yourself with positivity, and let your dreams be the guiding light that illuminates your path. Together, let us defy the odds, shatter the limitations, and become the best versions of ourselves. Seize every moment, embrace every opportunity, and never ever give up on yourself. So thank you, and may your unwavering self-belief be the catalyst for a future filled with triumph and fulfillment.